Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. We did it, we made it to the top 20 of the NYX Professional Makeup Face Awards. I wanted to make this introduction short. I just wanted to say thank you and let you all know what you mean to me. I am so thankful for you guys. You got me from the top 30 down to the top 20. I could not do this without you. Now going from here, I'm still going to need your votes. The next challenge gets announced June 4th. After they announce that challenge, I will do a makeup, I will post my video, and then from June 15th to, here we go, June 15th to the 21st, I will need you guys to vote again. They will be choosing from the top 20 down to the top 12. So this is really where it's gonna need to count, and we can continue this journey together. Now I'm gonna shut my mouth and let's get started. I got my lucky tool. Here's the first box. And look at this. All of our little faces are on there. Everybody, just so nice. I'm gonna take my knife again. There's my little face again. We hope you enjoyed these goodies brought to you by the NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. And here's all of the amazing sponsors. Let me tell you guys, I've been using everything that they've sent me and feel spoiled. I'm gonna set this down here. Ooh, it's all like nicely wrapped. It's like Christmas. Huh. Ooh. Audio Network gave us this little tote. I love this because I don't like paying for bags at the grocery store, and I like saving the earth. I can cart around not only my makeup, my groceries, my loo. He's looking at me. Ooh, Kitsch. From Kitsch, it says congratulations on the top 20. I got my hair towel and my shower cap. Perfect. And this is so soft. I'm not gonna wipe it on my face because it'd wipe my face off. Ooh, another box by Clarisonic. Let's see what's inside. Is it just us, or are you glowing? I'm glowing. Customize your cleanse with Clarisonic. What? Look at this. There are a bunch of different heads. Foaming Milk Cleanser. Cleansing milk with licorice root, peppermint leaf, and ginkgo biloba leaf extracts. I can't wait to saturate myself in it. My Lou's, he's peeking at me. Yay, Clarisonic! I see another Vichy box. Listen, I've been using my Vichy every single day. It's been clearing up my complexion, making me feel like $1,000,000. Yes, I'm so happy. Another full set. This Mineral 89 formula is amazing. Origin, from the depth of the French volcanoes, Vichy mineralizing thermal water is powered by 15 essential minerals, which I need because the skin doesn't like me all the time. Skin feels more hydrated, plumped, and toned. Day after day, skin radiates with a healthy glow. It definitely does. I'm so glad that I got another one of these because I've been using it so much. I wasn't almost out, but it was gonna get there, and I would not have been happy about it. Ooh, something looks so fun. From Target. In honor of earning a spot in the 2018 Face Awards Top 20, please enjoy this gift from your sponsor, Target. Thanks, Target. Amazeballs! Each bath fizzer has a toy surprise inside. Get out of here. The name says it all. Yep, these bath bombs are Amazeballs. The surprise inside are suitable for either gender. Use 1 to 3 bombs per bath. Can I use all of them at once? An exfoliating body sponge. I went to Venice Beach yesterday, and I feel like I need this right now because if you've ever been to Venice Beach, you know what I'm talking about. Ooh, the Seaweed Bath Company. Hydrating Seaweed Bath. Kitsch sent us some shower stuff. Target sent us some shower stuff. Are you guys saying we smell? I probably do smell. I know who this is from. Redken. There's more of this. Hello. This is my Power of Makeup challenge. Redken, shift your look into high gear. Done. Ooh! Super Strong Sculpting Gel by Redken. Thickening lotion. See, this is good because my partner Nate, he has a lot of hair. I do not. This will come in good use. Restyling Iron Shape 11. Heat restyling technology. I'm gonna make Lou a new bed out of this. First box, done. And the second box, just as heavy as ever, by NYX Professional Makeup. So, when I got the first box, I reorganized my entire station, and I bought containers, bags, and now I'm probably gonna have to do it again. So thank you. Congratulations! Your outstanding creativity and artistry earned you a spot in the 7th Annual Face Awards Top 20. We can't wait to see what you create in the second challenge. Me neither. I just gotta say, I love that everything's pink too. The next specialty box. Ooh, Let's show you guys the box. Here's everything. These little things are Vivid Bright cream colors, which are amazing. The Vivid Bright's eyeliner, I loved. I used the purple shade in my makeup, and it was great. So I can't wait to try these creams out, because I like their SFX creams a lot, which they gave me the gold one, which I'm a sucker for gold. Silver, white, and a black. And then these things. This is awesome. These are pressed pigments, so these, I feel like, would lay really nicely with the Vivid Brights. Okay, you're setting me up. I can tell. You know, this is crazy because after getting the first box, I was like, what could they send us? Like, what else is there? Well, you proved me wrong. All right, face. Ooh! Okay, this is awesome. Honey, do me up. Honey, do me up. Honey, do me up. Do is D-E-W. Sickos. It's a honey primer. Primer spray. This is awesome. These will be going all over my face. This is what I'm really excited about. These are glitter pigments. So, hello. I just want to use them now. Love You So Mochi highlighting palettes. I love the Love You So Mochi eyeshadows, so I can't wait to use these highlighters. Look at my face. This is all NYX. This is all NYX. Ooh, some more glow shades. Yes. 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 All of the shades. So I can glow all of the time. Pro Foundation Mixer. So I'm pretty sure that as if there weren't enough shades for foundation, they have these Pro Foundation mixers so you can mix to get your perfect shade. So if you are more red toned, they have a red. If you are more yellow toned, ivory toned, they have this one. If you just want it a little more fair, they have a whiter one, like darker. A couple drops of this. Perfect. Ooh! You know I love to glow, so away we glow. Look at this. These are drop highlighters, so I'm assuming, let's test it out. Okay, so here it is, just on my hand. Oh, look at this. It's insane. It like almost covers up my tattoo. I bet laying this down on your face and then going over it with powder would probably blind your next door neighbor. Lips. Ooh, duochromatic shimmer lip gloss. Well, guess what's going on my mouth right now. I want to use this shade. This shade is Cocktail Party. It's like, you guys know me or something. I'm excited. I was going for like a Malibu Barbie look today, so. Wow. Probably gonna start carrying around a purse or like a big duffel bag so I can just bring all this shit with me all the time in case, you know, there's ever a situation. I really like that. Ooh, I got some metallic soft mattes. Look at all of these amazing shades. I'm in love with these bundles. So I just had my friends over from out of town and I let them play in a lot of my makeup and they loved the lips. So they're gonna be so mad that they left this morning without getting to try these new ones. These NYX Cosmic Metals. They're lip creams here. I wanna try one out on my hand. I like this blue color. Watch me struggle for 5 years to get this open. We're gonna put this. Love this. Look at that. Also got a bunch of lip liners and all these different shades. All right, more. More. Before I take anything out of the box. These lashes are amazing. I'm not wearing any lashes right now, but it should be. Lash adhesive. Perfect. I love these jumbo eye pencils, and now I have a billion colors. Ooh, some new mascara. I've been using the Double Stack mascara, and it works. Prime. Look at this. Natural lashes. And some more glitters. Guys, it's a real problem because I want to put all this stuff on right now. Holographic eyeliner. You guys think of everything, don't you? I'm impressed. And metallic eyeliners. These are new. Some vinyl eyeliners. Strictly vinyl. These are new too. Glazed and Confused. Love that name. And Dirty Talk. Love this color. It says complete look using NYX Professional Makeup Mascara, sorry. Ooh, it's eye gloss. Look at this black. I think that's calling my name. Some more eyeshadow palettes. The Perfect Filter palettes. Don't you just love that when you find the perfect filter? Oh, I just found two. A smoky eye palette. This is perfect. I love to just smoke it out. Help! This is the last box! Tools. Probably a picture of me in here, isn't there? Ooh, more blending sponges. I don't know what this brush is, but I like it. I really like these brushes. Look at these. They're like holographic silver. And they're heavy. Feel nice. Yes, more blending sponges. I love these. More wipies. Perfect. Sponges. What is this? Ooh, a little bag. A little see-through bag. This is awesome. This is very nice. Okay guys, that is my second unboxing video. Now I have to go reorganize my entire makeup station. Again, thank you all for joining me today. Let's make it to the next round so I can do another one of these unboxing videos. The NYX Professional Makeup team will be launching our second challenge on the 4th. So I'm super excited about that. I'm going to go get this all edited, get it uploaded, and get myself prepared for the upcoming challenge. Now, just a reminder, I know I don't need to, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you know, MySpace. Just kidding. Once that voting starts, I need you guys to tell everybody. Just blow it up on your stories, blow it up on your Twitter feed. Oh, I'm getting this all over my body. That's better. I will keep producing the makeup and doing the best that I can, and you guys just keep voting and keep loving and supporting me like you already are. I honestly cannot thank you guys enough. I did not make it this far just on my own. I needed you, and you've produced. I am so excited for the next challenge. I am so excited to show you all what I can create. I'm so excited to use all of these new products. It's funny, a lot of this stuff I was like, I wonder if they make that. I wonder if they make that. They make it. So now I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna go shower, take a bath, probably use all of these at the same time. Ooh, that smells really good. So I will see you guys on the next one. And I want the toy inside. Lou, come here. Come here, you have to make an appearance. Come here! Come here! Come see me! Come see me! Oh my goodness, oh look at you, my little boy. He wanted to say hi. He's been looking over here. He loves saying hi to his friends. Don't you? Why don't you just look so cute? Got a kiss? Can you give me a kiss? Oh, he just likes being the star. Who could blame him? With a face like this. Okay, bye. Bye. I'm out. I'm out.